Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your system and GPU so you update the correct driver. Open Device Manager on Windows or run LSBCI on Linux to read the vendor and model. Once done, note the current driver version so you can roll back if needed. Make sure to close games and GPU-heavy apps to prevent conflicts during install. If you use a laptop, plug in power. Many systems throttle updates on battery. This initial identification prevents wrong driver installs. Now you download the right package from the GPU vendor. Go to NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel Downloads, select your exact GPU model, OS, and architecture, and pick the appropriate branch, game ready for gaming or studio for content creation. Once you find the matched build, download the full installer rather than quick patches so you get all components. Make sure to note the file checksum to verify integrity. After the download completes, you're ready to prepare for installation. With an optional, you run the installer with elevated privileges and choose Clean Install if offered to remove legacy bits. Follow prompts, allow driver components and control panel tools to install, then reboot. After restart, verify the new version in Device Manager or with command line tools like NVIDIA SMI. Make sure display settings and resolutions are intact. If something goes wrong, reboot to safe mode and use Display Driver Uninstaller to remove remnants. Then reinstall the previous stable driver. That troubleshooting step fixes most compatibility problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.